Date is May 5th, 2023, and I'm getting ready to clear out a space for my Titan over here, and I'm gonna get this all cleared out, maybe get it so we can put some concrete in. Don't know about that part, but I'm making a pile over here. This you just don't have much need for firewood out here in the desert, so I'm gonna make a big old pile right here, and then we're gonna have our friend Will come over and we're gonna take it all to the dump. So that's on the agenda for today. I'll do some updates later. It's May 6th, and I've almost got this ready to build a carport right here. As you can see, this is 11 feet wide from the end. The carport is 10 feet wide and 20 feet long, and that's a 20-foot garage right there, and it's got a metal roof on it so it can take the sun, and then I'll be able to have a little workspace here. So, and I've got this all cleared out. I'm gradually getting this taken care of. I have a friend coming over to pick up all this wood, and then we'll take all of this stuff to the dump. So that's what's on the agenda. Today's date is May 7th, 2023, and we're getting the parts to a carport that we're going to put up here. And this is Anthony and Paul. They're helping me do this right now, and it's about 12:15, so by the end of the day this is all going to be put together, and that'll be because of his help. So he says he has his own YouTube channel, so he's gonna have to make a video of this for him too. So that's what we're gonna be doing, and I'll set up the tripod when we time delay. So that's it for now.
They've had two documentaries.
You're talking.
One is called Baseball.
Okay, I'm here now with AJ, and he's going to, it was his kit that we're going to put up here. So our first step, we're going to be putting the roofing on. So we got a process we're going to do first, and we're going to put that on time delay. So here we go. Okay, we got TJ putting this together. Now, these are self-sealing, self-tapping 3/8 screws, or 1/8 inch, I mean. So anyway, he's putting these in. You can do the other side here too. You have to be careful. You gotta have strong arms to do this stuff.
You gotta watch your eyes with the metal shavings.
Yeah, you should be wearing
Oh,
your
just
sunglasses.
a little squint.
Make sure that's
not
down.
in.
You have one on the other side, right?
Yeah, right here.
Oh, okay, so go ahead and do that one.
I'll do it right here because it doesn't go all the way up.
Right, right. Okay, so you might be wondering why we're trying to do this way. This is, I got 10 feet 6 inches between this wall right here and that wall, and this is net 10 feet. So we need to assemble the roof and everything, and then lift this whole thing up against the wall before we can do the other side. So that's what this is all about. Plus, it's given us an idea how to level this out as well. So Anthony's going to do that. I'm going to go get some power for the battery here. So okay, there's AJ is just finishing up. So as you can see, we've got what it turned out to be. We couldn't lift up the have the roof on and everything because, as you can see, this is a net fit, and that roofing would come over and hit the wall here, so that won't work. So that's why we had to go back and do it the right way. Anyway, it's up. We would have had it all together if we had done it the way AJ would like to have done it, but we got it. It's working. And so we got it all in. We'll get all this stuff up later. So that's a wrap. Today's date is May 13th, 2023. And what you see here is I made this out of aluminum foil. And what I'm going to do is, since I don't have briquettes, we want to do some ribs. So I don't want to get a bunch of grease and oil all over on a regular barbecue. Those short ribs are really greasy. So I'm going to fill this with water and boil the grease out of them, and then when that gets pretty good, I'll pull them out and then get rid of that water and grease, and then do the final barbecue after that. So that's today's project. I am a distilled water guy, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to I'm going to put some more in there. Anyway, we're going to fill that. Actually, I need to get some more, but this will allow me to turn on the so they're all working. We'll put it on low, and I'll go get some more. We got pork loin ribs, so I'll be back. Okay, so you can see it almost looks like fish right now, but Anyway, we were getting all that gnarly fat out of there. So anyway, that's we're about 45 minutes into this part of the regime. That's not much of a dam, but I had to level it up. You know, the snow totally ruined these decks here. It was so heavy. This was all the way up to there. That's about 10 foot. And then there was ice underneath that. And it did the same right here. So I got my work cut out for me. Anyway, today's barbecue day. Okay, here they are. They look pretty interesting. Yeah. I'm just wondering if I should flip them one more time. Yeah, I think I will. So this is about an hour and a half into the program. Okay, here we are. It's as you can see, there's not a whole lot of grease dripping down yet. I could see it dripping a little. But I put salt, pepper, and garlic on it. So I'm going to flip these, and then maybe I should put the barbecue sauce on. I think I'll do that first. Okay, yeah, what I did is I flipped this over so I could see where the bones are, and I split it. I cut them in twos. Oops. And boy, those are thick. Look at that. Pretty thick. That's why I cut them in twos. You know, you can always come back and get more. So I'm going to flip these over and put barbecue sauce on them, and then we'll see how this turns out. Okay, I've had it at 300 degrees, maybe 320. So this is how they look. They're getting there. So they've been cooking. I don't know if you can hear that, but they're all happy. I got to put some more barbecue sauce on there. I hope this makes your mouth water. Look how thick those are. Pretty cool.